Hello, my dear students, how are you all? Hope you all are keeping fine. Please open your book, page number 41. Today's our new chapter is the poem, that is, the months. Children, I hope you all know there are 12 months in a year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. There are 12 months in a year, and we have got different seasons: cold season, rainy season, summer season, winter season, autumn, spring, all that. So let us read about the months. This poem is related about the months. So let us read. January cold dissolved, February all dripping wet, March wind ranges, April changes. Birds sing in tune to flowers of May, and sunny June brings longest day. In scorch July, the storm clouds fly, lightning torn, August bears corn. September fruit in rough October, earth must disrobe her. Stars fall and shoot in keen November, and night is long and cold is strong in bleak December by Christina Rossetti. So here it tells us that January is the coldest month and it becomes foggy. We cannot see when we go out. It is the coldest month. Desolate means miserable. We feel lonely at that time, and this is a new year season. At that time we feel lonely. Sometimes it's foggy, and then slowly a weather changes there. February all dripping wet. When the sun shines, the snow used to melt and it falls down. March wind ranges. During the month of March there is a wind. There is a winds used to blow. The weather slowly changes into summer now. April changes. During the month of April all the seasons used to change. Birds sing in tune. At that time birds are singing. The trees are bearing new leaves, flowers, and to flowers of May. When April ends, then the May starts, then the flowers used to bloom. Then sunny June brings longest days. Means in the month of June it is the sunny day, the hot seasons already started during the month of June. And in scorched July, the storm clouds fly, lightning torn. It means that June is the longest days, and the hot season already started at that time. And July is scorched, means slightly burned. At that time we feel the hot, how it is hot. Then it is the hottest days in the month of July, and in that month only we have a cloud storms, the thunderstorms and the lightning. Whenever it is raining, the thunders and storms also will be there. The clouds fly, lightning torn. August bears corn. In the month of August our grains, our whatever we are foods, different types of crops of grains used to grow. And September bears fruit. In the month of September the fruits used to be there in the trees. And in rough October earth must disrobe her. Stars fall and shoot. It says that in the month of October the weather slowly it changes, and the trees leaves used to fall, and then flowers, that whatever we got in the month of May and June, those flowers we will not get to see those flowers again. We have a seasonal flowers again. We have to change, and we have to change our clothes, for we have to get ready for the winter again. Now slowly the cold season starts there. Disrobe her means become bare because of trees shedding their leaves. The leaves used to fall, it becomes dry. Stars fall and shoots. That time we can see a clear sky, and we can see the stars moving In the cloud, whenever we are looking there, we can see the clear skies, we can see the bright stars there shining. In keen November, the night is long and cold is strong. In the month of November, it is the winter season starts, and night used to become long and the cold is also strong. The cold is more increasing strong, it is strong. And in blink December, and December is the coldest month where we can feel it. So hope you all have understood. My dear children, please go through once again, learn the poem and also learn the word meanings. Till then, take care. Thank you.